Hello, I am Shelina Elyse, your host for Cultural Discovery, and here is your tasty tip for the day. We're going to figure out how to dice an onion. So I have cut off both ends of the onion, the root ends, and then peeled back the skin parts that I don't want to have. So now we have this onion. We are going to go ahead and cut this here in half. Excellent. And cut side down, we're going to go ahead and cut the onion horizontally. And I'm not going all the way through because I want to help it go keep together a little bit. And you'll want to try to do 3 or 4 cuts to the side. Excellent. So now we are going to cut towards the root. Don't cut all the way through. All right. Now we're going to turn this to the side and cut opposite of the direction that we were just in. And that's how you dice an onion. Maybe next time I'll share tips on how not to cry while dicing this onion.